Hello friends, in previous class we seen integers, 6th chapter of mathematics of 6th standard. In that class we seen exercise number 5.1. Now we are seeing 5.2 and 6.1 we seen. Now in this class we are seeing 6.2 and 6.3 together. The chapter name is integers, and why integers are important that also we see. How we have to write the integers numbers that we see. Now we will see 6.2 and 6.3. Now please pay attention at the board. Super Exercise number 6.2. Using the number line, write the integers which is. Draw the number line and you have to show the given integer. Means given number. First one is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means 5 plus 3 how much? 8. What is the answer? 3 more than 5 is 8. So you have to show 8. Draw the number line. 0, left side minus number, right side plus number. 3 more than 5. From the 5 start and show 3 more. So you will get the answer 8. Next question. 5 more than minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. So you have to draw the number line. 0, right side plus number, left side minus number, minus 5. More than minus 5. Come under 5 numbers. So the number is what? 0. So 5 more than minus 5 is what? 0. Next, 6 less than 2. Next question, 6 less than 2. Here is what? 6 less than 2. Means we have to show 4. 6 less than 2. You have to show 6 less than 2. It is 2 and you have to show 6 less than 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will get answer minus 4. Please see the question. 6 less than 2. 6 less than 2. Less than means small. From 2 you have to come back 6 less than. So you will come on minus 4. Next question, 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. Minus 2 less than 3. 1, 2, 3. So you will get minus 5. Next question, second question. Use the number line and add the following integers. These all additions and subtraction you have to show on a number line. So I am direct going on a question. So I will show here. The first question. Draw the number line. 0, right side plus number, 0, left side minus number. 9 plus minus 6. It means 9 minus 6, 3. So first you have to go from 0 to 9 and take out 6 from that. So you will get the minus 3. 9 number. First you go on a 9. Minus 6. Come, take out minus 6, 6 number take out, you will come on 3. Next, plus minus 11. Plus minus 11. So draw the number line. This is 0, plus number, and this is minus number. 5. First you have to start from a 5. 0 to 5. And minus 11. Come back 11 steps. So you will come on a minus 6. You will come on a minus 6. Come back 11 minus. Minus 11 means you have to come back. 11 steps come back. So you will reach on a minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. Next question. Minus 1. First come on minus 1. And plus again minus 7. From here again you have to count minus 7. So you will come on a minus 8. Two numbers are minus. So the answer is coming in plus. Sorry. When two numbers are in minus, you have to do the plus and put a minus sign. This we learned in our previous class. Next question. Minus 5 plus 10. First draw the number line. 0 plus sign minus signs. Minus 5. First you have to come on a minus 5. And from here you have to count plus 10. Go on 10 steps. So you will reach on a plus 5. You will reach on a plus 5. Next. Minus 1, minus 2, plus minus 3. So first he said minus 1. Afterwards minus 2. Again 2 steps. Minus 3 again 3 steps. You will get on a minus 6. All numbers are minus. So you have to do minus. And answer is minus 6. Next question. minus 2 plus 8. First you have to come on minus 2. From here you have to go plus 8. You have to go on 8 steps. Again minus 4. Come back again minus 4 steps. So you will reach on a 2. First it is minus 2. Come on a minus 2. He said plus 8. Go 8 steps forward. Again minus 4. Come 4 steps backward. You will reach on a 2. So the answer is 2. Question number 3. Add without using number line. Now here without using number line you have to be add. How you have to be add? 11 plus minus 7. So here plus and minus became a minus. So 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. What is the answer? 4. Next question. Minus 13 plus 18. Plus only. So minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13 plus 18. So when 1 is plus, 1 is minus, what you have to do? Minus. So what is the answer? 5. And greater number sign you have to put. This is a greater number sign plus, so you have to put plus. So plus 5 is the answer. Now minus 10 plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19. Minus 10 plus 19. One number is in minus, one number is in plus. What we have to do? Minus. So 10 and 19 when you minus, you will get the answer 9. Which number is greater? 19 is a greater. Plus sign you have to put here. Next. Minus 250 and plus 150. Minus 250 plus 150. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So minus 250 and plus 150. What you have to do? You have to minus it. So 250 minus 150 is 100. So which is a greater sign? Minus sign is a greater. So minus 100 is the answer. Next. Minus 380 plus minus 270. Both are in minus. Minus 380 minus 270. Both are in minus. So minus minus you have to do plus. So when you 380 plus 270 you will do. You will get the answer 650 and minus sign is minus sign. When two numbers are in minus, we have to do the plus. Add both the numbers. Afterwards, you have to put a minus sign. Next, minus 217 plus minus 100. Again, both numbers are minus. Minus 217 and minus 100. So when both are minus, so what you have to do? You have to do plus. 217 plus 100, 370. Right? You have to put a minus sign. Next question. Find the sum of. Sum means you have to add 137 sum plus minus 354. So 137 plus minus 354. So plus and minus minus. So 137 minus 354. When you minus this both number, you will get 270. So you have to do this on a rough work. So you will get a minus 270. Why minus 270? Because minus 354 is the greater sign. One is in plus, another one is in minus. You have to do this minus and greater sign you have to put. This is the greater sign. Next, minus 52 and plus 52. Minus 52 plus 52. What is the answer? One is minus, one is plus. You have to subtract. So 52 minus 52 0. So the answer is 0. So 0 not have any sign. It is not a plus or not a minus. Next number. Minus 213 plus 39 and plus 192. Minus 312. Sorry, here the answers became wrong. This is 213. Here I written by mistake. Leave this question. We will go for the next one. This is a print mistake. Sorry for that. Minus 50, minus 200 and plus 300. Minus 50, minus 200 plus 300. So minus you have to do plus. So this when you do the plus, this became minus 250. Here 250. And this plus 300 plus 300. One is minus, one is in plus. Again you have to do minus. So this is 50. Next question. Find the value of minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So minus 7 became minus 7 plus minus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Minus 7 minus 9 both are minus, so it became a minus 16. Plus 4 plus 16 it became a 20. Minus 16 plus 20 it became a 4. Next question, 37 plus minus 2 plus 60 minus 65 plus minus 8. So 37 plus sign minus minus 2 plus sign minus minus 65 plus sign minus minus 8. So 37 as it is, minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 minus 10 minus 65 minus 75. This three number became minus 75. One is in plus, one is in minus. When you minus this, so minus 38 is the answer. So here this exercise is over. Now we will go for the next exercise. This is the last exercise of the 6th chapter. Exercise number 6.3. First question, subtract. Now before we see all the additions, now we will see the subtraction. What happens here? 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20. One is in minus, one is in plus. So when you do the minus, answer you will get 50. Second question is 72 minus 90. 72 minus 90. One is in plus, one is in minus. Subtract. 90 minus 72, 18. Minus number is bigger, so minus sign. Next question. Minus 15 minus minus 18. So minus 15 minus into minus, it became a plus. When 2 minus together, it became a plus. So minus 15 plus 18. Minus 15 and plus 18. One is plus, one is minus, one is plus, one is minus. You have to do the minus 3. Greater sign is plus. So it is plus 3. Next question. Minus 20 minus 13. So minus 20 minus 13 minus 13. Both numbers are minus. So minus 20 minus 13. You have to do the addition. 20 plus 13, 33. Minus minus became a minus. Next. 23 minus minus 12. So minus minus became a plus. So 23 plus 12. 23 plus 12, 35. Minus 32. Minus minus became a plus. So minus 32 and plus 40. Minus 32 plus 40. So what you do? Minus. So 40 minus 32, 8. Next question. The next question, fill in the blanks with smaller sign, greater sign or is equal to sign. Okay dear? Minus 3 plus minus 6. Dash. Minus 3 minus and minus 6. So here minus, minus and minus became a plus, it is a greater than. So this is the greater sign, this is the smaller sign. Next, minus, minus, minus 10. Minus 21 became minus 21. Here I want to show that on the board how to solve the problem, so you will get an idea. This is minus 3 plus minus 6 dash minus 3 minus minus 6. Please pay attention on the board so I will show you, you will understand. This minus 3 became minus 3 plus and minus minus 6 dash minus 3 minus and minus plus, it is 6. Now this is what? Minus 9 and this is what? Plus 3. Which one is the greater? Minus 9 or 3? 3 is the greater. So that's why here the greater sign came. Next question. The next question is minus 21 minus minus 10 dash minus 31 plus minus 11. So this is minus 21 minus minus plus, this is 10 dash minus 31 plus minus minus 11. So this is what? Minus 11 when you solve this, and dash, this is 31 31 minus minus, this is what? 42. So minus 11 and 42. Which one is the greater? Minus 11 is the greater. Minus 11 is the greater. So here this one is the greater, second one. I am showing on the board there. The third question. 45 minus minus 11 dash 57 plus minus 4. So this is 45 minus minus plus 11 dash 57 plus minus minus 3. So this is 56 dash and this is 53. So which one is greater? 56. So 56 means what? This number is greater. This side is greater. 56, this number is greater. As I shown here. This. Now next, last one. Minus 25. Minus 25 minus 42 dash minus 42 minus 25. So minus 25 as it is minus plus 42 dash minus 42 minus plus 25. So this is and this is. Here the answer is what? 42 minus 25 3 12 7 1. This is plus 17 and this is minus 17. So this number is greater. So this number is greater. This one is greater. Okay dear. Now this third question. The next question. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. From minus 8, which number you have to remove? So it became a 0. So plus 8 you have to do right. Minus 8 plus 8. So it became a 0. So plus 8 will become. Second question. 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Again, when number? Minus 13. Plus 13 minus 13 became a 0. Minus 13. Now, 12 plus minus 12. Here is what? 0. Because 12 minus 12 is 0. Here is what? 0. Minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. So here which number will become? Minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4. So minus 12. So minus 8 minus 4, 12. Next number. Dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. So 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Here is 5. Now, next question. Last question of this lesson. Last question of this lesson. Find minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. So here minus 7 in bracket minus 8 minus 25. Minus 7 becomes minus 7 minus 8 becomes minus 8 minus plus 25. Minus 8 minus 7 minus 15 plus 25. Minus 15 plus 25 10. Answer is 10. Second question. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Minus 13 as it is plus 32 as it is minus 8 minus 1. This is minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 and this is minus 1. So this plus 32 as it is minus 13 and minus 8 and minus 1 became a minus 22. These all are added. So minus 22 plus 32 minus 22 is 10. Next question. Minus 7 minus 8 minus 19 in between plus sign. So minus 7 became minus 7, minus 8 become minus 8, minus 19 become minus 19. If you this all minus, then all the number in minus you have to do the addition. So when you add this all, it became 105 and you have to put a greater number sign, that is minus. Now here 50 minus plus 40 minus plus 2. Add this all number 92. So the answer is what? 92. Now here we finish the chapter. Integers chapter is over. Next chapter we will see the fraction. Next class. Please see the video very carefully. The problems already I drawn on this board. You also solve the problem in notebook by seeing the video. If you not understand, revise it again, see it properly. And while saying, please most you have to concentrate, because these numbers minus plus minus maybe you confuse. So don't confuse when two numbers are minus or when three numbers are minus. When you have to be add, that you have to be add the numbers and minus sign will become. Once again I am explaining. When two numbers you have to be add and both the numbers are minus, so the answer you have to write in a minus. And one number is in minus, second number is in a plus, you have to do the subtraction. When two numbers are in minus, you have to do addition. When two numbers are in negative minus, you have to do addition, you have to sum. When one is in negative, one is in positive, it means one is plus, one is minus, you have to do subtraction and put the greatest number sign. Okay, bye. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.